Leaves are nature's powerhouses, essential for photosynthesis. They soak up sunlight, turning it into chemical energy. As they absorb carbon dioxide from the air and water from the roots, they create glucose, which fuels the plant's growth. And let's not forget the oxygen they release, vital for us to breathe. But leaves do more than just that. They cool the plant through evaporation, protect it from pests and diseases, and even communicate with the environment by releasing chemicals. Every leaf plays a crucial role in the web of life, making our planet a healthier place.